Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do a little video on why money stops coming to you. Now, I had a discussion with my law of attraction friend and we were both going over those periods in our lives where money stopped coming in. And we made a link between that time where there's no money coming in and the cord that goes back to something specific. Now, what is that something specific? It is financial resentment. Now, have you got someone that owes you money that you resent? Do you resent someone else getting paid more than you and you're doing the same job? Do you resent the bank and the fees they take? Do you resent certain organizations for the fees they charge? Do you resent the petrol costs, the electricity costs? Do you resent your boss and what he makes you do for the money that you earn? Have a little think about resentment and financial resentment. So if you can sit down and make a list and then say, okay, I'm going to dissolve these resentments because this is actually handbraking money coming into me. Then what you can do is start working with Ho'oponopono, and you go through the list and you dissolve one thing at a time. I find if you sit and you say, okay, I've got resentment towards my boss and he expects way too much for what I get paid. So there's my resentment. So what you do is you would set an intention. I'm going to sit, I'm going to do Ho'oponopono for a period of time until I feel that I've released myself from this. And I'm going to do it specifically on this particular situation with him and I, or with her and I, if it's a woman. So if you can really look at dissolving your resentment, because any negative emotion towards money is a handbrake. It stops it flowing to you. So yes, do your affirmations about money. Yes, do your meditations for money. There's a wonderful money chest meditation, and there are quite a few wonderful money meditations. I will put the links down below in the description and a couple here up next to my head at the end of the video, and you can start to practice those. But you also need to look at this third thing, which is any financial resentment towards people or particular organizations, companies. It might even be family members. You know, that someone ripped you off, or that someone in your family, you lent them money, they never paid it back, and then you see them going on a holiday and they're using the money they should have paid you back with. There are so many levels of financial resentment. So as a little exercise, sit down and write, where are my financial resentments? Am I ready and willing to let these go? Because if I remember everything and everyone is me pushed out, I am stopping myself from attracting more money. Okay? Now, there's also a full money playlist on this channel, so I will put the link to that down below for you. And let me know in the comments if you have any resentments towards anyone or anything, company, person, family member in particular, and that you've been hanging on to it for X amount of time. And let me know how you're going to dissolve this so that you can open yourself up to more abundance. So it's like you got to let go of the old man, as Neville says, and the old man is the resentful man. The old man is it has to come through that person or that company, or that person got what I should have got. Like there's a finite amount. It's remembering that there is an unlimited amount and there is enough for all of us. But you have to have the right antenna up there to be able to bring it and it drop at your feet. Okay, remember, no one owes you anything. But if someone does owe you, you owe it to yourself to let go of the resentment towards them, because they're not the only channel with which the money can come to you. Okay? So let me know your thoughts, and I will see you as always in the next YouTube.